Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the object of the game today is to change the rotor and the brake pads on a 2009 Hyundai Sonata Limited. Tip, if you're going to go get the brake pads and do everything yourself, make sure you know what size engine you have and what version you have, because there is a difference. I made several trips to O'Reilly and Menards today because I didn't have all the parts. So I'm going to tell you a lot about the parts. You're going to need a few. Okay, first, you're going to need some of these. You're going to be working with a 17 millimeter, a 12 millimeter, and this little one, surprisingly, 14 millimeter. Don't forget the C-clamp, critical. First thing you have to do is jack up your car and take your wheel off. For the love of God and all that is holy, do not forget your e-brake. Yeah. Always use one of these. Never just leave that, because it could fail and crush you. I mean, we could let nature sort it out and all.
Хорошо, следующее. Вам надо этот инструмент. Ставь сюда.
Okay, y necesito так. I don't know, I'm mixing Spanish and my Russian together, but the idea is you want to alleviate pressure on the caliper, so you put it here and you're supposed to be able to pull that back, and that helps open these up so you can just pull it off. Okay, the very next thing you do after you loosen that up, you're going to take your 14 millimeter, it's going to go here, and it's also going to go here. Those are the only two that require the 14 millimeter. You're going to loosen those up, and you're going to take this off.
Now, if you took those two bolts off properly, and you did what I said here, you should be able to pull this off lightly, or whatever. I could do it with one hand on the phone. It's amazing, but I'm not gonna, because it's hard.
If you get this far and realize that I forgot to tell you that you're going to need the other 12 millimeter to loosen up what I thought was an electrical thing, I messed up. It's not electrical, of course. There was a Freudian slip. There is a bolt here for your pipes right there. So we're gonna need to get this puppy. Gotta take that off so we can get this caliper off. Now, if you ask me, this is absolutely brilliant. So the Sonata has the brake caliper or pads right here. You're just gonna be able to squeak them off. So you take your screwdriver. See if I can get that light right. Screwdriver, like so. Just stick it here, and it should pop right off. Let's do it again on the other side. One-handed, holding a phone. I mean, if you could do that, the engineers were thinking.
Don't lose this piece. You will need it again. It goes to the back brake pad, on the inside brake pad. Don't forget it, don't lose it, don't throw it away. You'll need it.
Okay, after you get those bolts off, what you're gonna need to do is get one of these. Yeah, I don't know. Didn't go to college. Don't know what this is called. But you'll take your 17 millimeter. This is where you're gonna use it. And you're gonna come back here. And behind this, there's a bolt right in here. You wanna get it. You'll be able to find it, trust me. The other one is going to be right here. They both take the same bolt. You have to do this. If you don't have that one piece, yeah, well, you figure it out. You're smart. Okay, after you're successful in removing those two bolts, you're gonna take this piece off. Yeah. Now, if that doesn't come off, you're going to tap it with the hammer. We're getting rid of this one anyway. Don't be scared. Yep. Now, if you're doing this job yourself, I mean, you must already know that you have, you need a replacement, but always do the rotary. Always, even if they don't look bad, but this is a sure sign of a bad rotary. You can change your brake pads every, year, who knows, but yeah.
This is what a new one looks like versus an old one. Beautiful.
And now you do everything on the reverse. I'll show you when we get to the C-clamp. Don't forget this piece. It goes right here, like this. Yep. You now take this marvelous machine, stick it right there, stick it in there, twist it so that that back part there goes in, so that you can slip it back on here without cursing God. Okay, so when you're all done, it should look something like this. Yeah. All right, once you put the tire and everything back on, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments, like and subscribe. If you want to see more content, comment. If there's anything you want to see that I can do, I don't know. All right.